If you've been wondering how to remove someone from your Cash App family account, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can manage your family account with ease. Stick around until the end so you don't miss a key step that most people overlook. First, open your Cash App and make sure you're signed in. From the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you manage all your account settings. Scroll down until you see the Family Accounts or Family option. Tap it, and you'll see a list of everyone currently connected to your family account. Find the person you want to remove, tap on their name, and look for the option that says Remove from Family or Remove Account. Cash App may ask you to confirm your choice. This is just to make sure you don't remove someone by accident. Once you confirm, that person will no longer be linked to your family account, and they won't have access to any shared features or benefits. Quick tip, and if you don't see the option to remove someone, make sure your app is updated to the latest version and that you're the account organizer or family manager. Only the organizer has permission to add or remove members, and that's it. You've successfully removed someone from your Cash App family account. It's a simple process once you know where to look. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. I've also left helpful links in the description in case you need to learn how to add members or set up a family account from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.